The key is the word semi in the product structure description. Although holdings are disclosed on a quarterly or monthly basis, there is information that market makers can use to make efficient markets in the ActiveShare ETFs. When I mean efficient markets, it's tight spreads and low premium discounts. One of the key requirements that the Precidian ActiveShares ETFs structure has is what we call the VIIV, which is the Verified Intraday Indicative Value. This is a value that is calculated utilizing the underlying holdings of the ETF, applying the prevailing midpoint of those holdings, rolling it up into a total portfolio value, and then dividing by the shares or the ETF shares outstanding. This provides a reference ETF price that market makers can use to, again, make efficient markets in these ETFs. The creation and redemption mechanism is where authorized participants create and redeem shares of the ETFs to balance out the demand for the ETF shares in the market. For the Precidian ActiveShares ETFs, a new participant has been added to the mechanism. This participant is called the Authorized Participant Representative, APR for short. The APR is assigned by the advisor who is responsible for keeping the daily basket confidential. When authorized participants want to create, they will reach out to the APR, provide cash, and the APR will then buy the securities in a confidential account and then in-kind them into the fund. This maintains the creation redemption mechanism that minimizes costs as well as maintains tax efficiency for the ETFs. The Precidian ActiveShare ETFs have been trading in the expected ranges that we anticipated before we launched. At launch, we saw the products trade around a 20 to 22 basis point spread and low premium discounts. Since then, we have seen the spreads tighten to 15 basis points on a consistent basis, showing that the market participants and market makers are getting comfortable with this structure. In addition, as volume increases, this helps tighten the spreads. This is a strong indicator that the Precidian ActiveShare model is working in the marketplace and provides an ETF structure that allows time-tested strategies from active managers to come to market in what's becoming more and more a preferred investment vehicle.
You should consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, and charges and expenses carefully before you invest. The fund's prospectus or summary prospectus, which can be obtained at AmericanCentury.com, contains this and other information about the fund and should be read carefully before investing.